Hey everybody, welcome back to Quick K-pop Basics. Today we are doing shoulder isolations part 2, the shoulder roll. Yesterday we did a shoulder shimmy, which you can check out over on my profile or channel if you missed it yesterday. For now, let's keep going with the shoulder roll. Just like yesterday, we are starting with the right shoulder high, the left shoulder is low, and we're isolating them, okay? So we're not moving the body, just the shoulders are moving, okay? Now, we're gonna bring this right shoulder back and the chest is gonna come through nice and high, okay? Shoulders are back, chest is up just like the up of our up-down bounce, okay? Now we're going to bring up that left shoulder instead. So the chest is going to come back to the center, okay? And now this shoulder is going to roll forwards. So now both shoulders are forwards and the chest is down. We're going to go back up on that right side. Whoop, okay? Now we're going to bring the shoulders back, bring the chest through. Good. Now we're going that left shoulder high and we're dropping the chest in again. And we go slowly right through the chest, into the left, bring it down, through the right, through the center, and the left, and bring it down, okay? This is how we create those shoulder rolls. So it looks like the chest is moving, but it's actually all controlled by the shoulders, and that's how we do our shoulder isolation rolls. Well done on your work today, and I'll see you in the next video real soon. Bye-bye.